So as the Mobile Learning Incubator explores how mobile devices might influence the way that we do all kinds of teaching and learning, we were able to come alongside of the Situated Learning Award that was asking the question, how can we make learning more genuine and more authentic and more real world? One of the great things that we found during this kind of co-investigation was the genre of what we're calling field research activities.
This is the nice paper-making stuff.
Field research activities are activities that take learning and put it in the field, in the context in which a real practitioner of that field would be doing research. Now, to actually implement these field research learning activities, we used a tool called ERIS. ERIS was kind of in our back pocket. It was something that through the sponsorship of a previous Engage Award and then some collaborations with Kurt Squire and members of the Games Learning and Society group, we were able to build this mobile tool that is free and open. Now, to make ERIS work really well for field research activities, we had to add a couple features. We added a thing called the notebook, which allows people to take photos and videos and text notes, share them among each other, and geolocate them. And then we added another feature called the web notebook that took the entire course's collected data, put them together on one map and one visualization that they could look at in class and kind of analyze all the stuff that they'd collected. We had the opportunity this year to work with two really amazing faculty and instructors here at UW.
And we're using it as a tool to understand this land generally.
For Mary Hark's class, she took her students out to be inspired by the prairie plants, where the prairie plants came from. She wanted them to be inspired by the actual land and situations that the plants were growing in. They were able to work together to build a collaborative map of these plant species, and then to come back and to use that experience as a collective whole to create their own individual pieces and artifacts.
I think that we live in a time when people don't know where stuff comes from. You go to the art store to buy good paper, or you order it online. I think it gives students a sense of a material sense, which is often overlooked because there isn't time to do it, and I think that's really valuable and really, really important.
For Tim Frandy's folklore class, we had the students go out on campus, take the concepts that they had learned in class the week before, and find concrete examples of them in the day-to-day life of the campus that they walk through every day.
So they're going out and they're doing some very simple and safe documentation, and then they're able to share it with each other, and they can listen to stories from everyone in the class. And so then that sort of helps them understand, what is folk life? How do we document it, and what makes for good documentation?
So in a short period of time, we were able to take a learning theory like situated learning and pair it with mobile technology, creating a new kind of learning experience that would blend both in and out of classroom activities. We're excited now that coming out of this will not only be data about how to facilitate these kinds of events, but also tools that allow people to do this going forward. We're excited to see how this kind of activity is going to change the way teaching and learning happen everywhere.